Do you want to increase sales, make your customers happier, and grow your business without spending a lot of money? Well, look no further. The secret marketing technique to your success is here, and all the top marketing pros are using it to ramp up their sales and revenue fast. It's called SMS marketing. It's actually shocking how powerful yet simple and affordable SMS marketing can be, and I'm going to teach you how to use it to its fullest potential. In this video, you'll learn what SMS marketing is, why it's important, and you'll see the numbers that actually prove it. You'll also see how working with an SMS marketing platform looks. And if you stick around to the end, I'll give you some real-world examples of how to reach your target audience in the most direct way possible, and how to use SMS marketing to connect with your customers in a way that no other marketing strategy can. So make sure to watch the entire video, because by the end of it, you'll have the full knowledge of how to send personalized messages that sell at the exact moment your customers want to see them. My name is Bernard Mayer. I'm the Director of Content here at Omnisend, and in this video, I'm going to tell you all you need to know about SMS marketing. So, what is SMS marketing? SMS marketing is a form of direct marketing that involves sending promotional offers, updates, and news to customers via text messages. Businesses use SMS marketing to share deals, reminders, special discounts, and order status updates. It's pretty cheap, fast, relevant, and customers absolutely love it. In fact, if you do it right, they want to hear from you. Now, before we dive deeper, I want to let you know about a special offer from Omnisend just for our viewers like you. Right now, Omnisend is offering a 10% discount on all of our premium plans. All you have to do is use the code found on YouTube at checkout. That's found on YouTube, one word. And trust me, you don't want to miss this deal, because Omnisend's Pro plan comes with free monthly SMS credits that you can use to instantly text your customers from the very first day. You can get the 10% deal right now. Just follow the link in the description below, and let's start boosting those sales together. Now, let's get back into the video and learn how text marketing can help you take your business to the next level. So let's take a closer look at how SMS marketing can benefit your brand, supercharge your profits, and increase your competitive edge. Number 1. SMS marketing is cost-effective. Compared to other forms of marketing, SMS is one of the cheapest ways to reach your customers. While it's not as cheap as email, SMS marketing can bring in a much higher return on investment. For some brands, each dollar that they invest in SMS brings in $113 in returns on average, compared to email's $40. That's a pretty insane return on investment if you ask me. Number 2. Direct communication. SMS messaging is one of the most direct ways of interacting with your customers. One study revealed that Americans spend an average of 4 hours on their phone each day, which is about a quarter of their daily attention. This means that SMS marketing lets you hit your audience where they already spend most of the time. Are you looking at your phone right now? I hope not, because we're almost done with the benefits. And then I'll show you the first hands-on SMS marketing example that'll blow your socks off. So stay with us, we're almost there. Number 3. SMS marketing is perfect for real-time updates. Did you know that 90% of texts are read within the first 3 minutes? This makes SMS marketing campaigns great for super time-sensitive offers. And since most notifications remain on screen until the message is read, you can be 90% sure your customers will see it, and they will see it fast. Number 4. Ridiculously high open rates. People don't just like SMS marketing, they love it. A study by Gartner found that roughly 98% of all business SMS messages are read by customers, compared to email's 20%. What's more, nearly half of all those messages will get a response. And if you make your messages valuable and personal, they might get even higher engagement rates. And finally, number 5. A proven ability to sell. We found that about 1/3 of SMS recipients engage with the message's call to action, and 47% of those engaged customers will make a purchase. These numbers make SMS marketing shine in terms of sales, especially during the holiday season. For example, promotional SMS sent on Black Friday in 2022 generated over 57% more orders than on average days. That may not seem like a big deal, but it can represent thousands of orders depending on the size of your business. So, now you've learned why SMS can be a great addition to your marketing strategy. But how do you put all that knowledge into practice? Well, your first step will be to find an SMS marketing tool to do the heavy lifting on your behalf. Now, there's a lot of options to consider, but I'll be using Omnisend for the purposes of this video. Omnisend is one of the world's most popular and easiest to use email and SMS marketing platforms for a reason. It lets you create and automate unique SMS campaigns that reach recipients in hundreds of countries all around the world, all without setting them up manually every time. So, if you're thinking about getting into text message marketing, Omnisend is an excellent tool for setting your first SMS campaign. Alright, now let's look at 4 great examples that show how to use SMS to build better relationships with your customers. Example number 1, welcome offers. Everyone expects a welcome email, but adding an SMS into the mix can make for a pretty nice surprise. With Omnisend, you can do all of this by picking a welcome series workflow with 3 emails and then simply adding an SMS message to it, like this. Yep, it's that easy. And if you offer an incentive for signing up, make sure to send a discount code or link via SMS. Next, follow up on that SMS with another email in case the SMS wasn't enough to make the sale. Example number 2, order confirmation and shipping updates. SMS marketing really shines with transactional messages. After all, your customers shouldn't have to check their email every hour to ensure that their order was placed. So, it's a pretty good idea to follow up with SMS messages that include tracking details as well. If you use Omnisend, you can automate your shipping and order confirmation text. Using these text messages will add a layer of transparency to your order and shipping process. It'll also make your customers feel much more comfortable with your brand, so make sure to add them to your confirmation automation. Example number 3, personalized offers. Do you want to show your customers that they're more than just a number in your database? Wish them a happy birthday or highlight their 1-year anniversary as a special rewards member. An offer that lasts for a few days around this special time frame is even better. Personalized SMS messages are a great way to roll this out, especially with internal links. Now, start by posting multi-day offers directly in your SMS messages, or use text messages as a teaser to prompt recipients to check their inbox. In Omnisend, you can do all of this by going to the Automations tab and launching a special occasion workflow. You can use the default text or change it to make it even more personalized. Either way, the emotional impact will be priceless. Example number 4, thank you offers. Sometimes the best way to engage your customers is just to say thank you. You can thank them for subscribing, for placing an order, or for simply supporting your brand all along the way, even if they haven't made a recent purchase. For example, if you're using Omnisend, you can thank your customers for placing an order by enabling the order follow-up series and adding an SMS into the mix, and then dropping a discount link like this. Now, these were just 4 examples of how you can build better relationships with your customers. If you want to see more, make sure to check out our full article on SMS marketing basics by following the link in the description below. And if you've got your own SMS marketing tips or examples, please share them down in the comments. We would love to hear them. So, if you were on the fence about SMS marketing before, by now you should understand just how valuable it can be for your marketing strategy. You've learned what SMS marketing is and how it can benefit your business, and you've seen examples of SMS marketing in action. So, now what? Well, now's a great time to start texting with Omnisend. Remember that 10% off deal I mentioned earlier? That's right. Just click the link in the description and it's all yours, for free. And if you want even more tips on building a successful SMS marketing strategy, make sure to check out these videos. Oh, and if you enjoyed this video or found it useful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more great videos on e-commerce marketing. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.